The Add Bar and Edit Bar dialogs have been refreshed and improved to be faster and compatible with more environments. The Add Bar dialog contains a calculator that is used to determine diameter, spacing, or area of reinforcement from the other two parameters. This is sure to save time with those small, everyday calculations. The different bar types that you can add are neatly organized in the bottom left corner. The parameters defining the bar are placed on the right, and just below that is where you can press OK to add the bar. This ergonomic design is intended to speed up your detailing work. Looking at the Edit Bar dialog, the shapecode list is now in the form of an XML file that allows for efficient storing and sharing of the shapes. Custom shapes can be defined by their nodes, vectors, and dimensions in the appropriate tables. Rebar detailing has never been easier. For more information, visit our website or connect with us on social media.